Morning, friends. Okay, so we're gonna start our day. I'm taking you with me for some errand running. This one's dancing. I'm not even sure. I actually need to renew my health card like yesterday because it's expired now. So I need to go do that. Dean's finally home, yay! And we're gonna do some errands, pick up some groceries. And actually for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be cooking some Indian food. I'm very excited. I've teamed up with Patax, so a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. We're gonna cook some dinner tonight. As you guys know, and if you've been following my stories, I used to live in Malaysia, which is in Southeast Asia, and I ate all of the delicious food all of the time, and I love Indian food, and I definitely order out here and there, but Patax has a 3-step system that is super easy to cook Indian food at home. So let's give it a try. Okay, so we're gonna go get groceries, run some errands. There will be coffee. There will be fun because Dean's home today. Let's go do it. I'm wearing my very modern, noisy rain jacket. Anyway, every time I wear this, Dean's like, really? And I'm like, yes. I am extra at times and I love it. I love this jacket. Anyway, we're getting some gas before we hit the road. And we're done. That was actually a lot faster than I expected. Took like a minute. All right, so we finished our little health cards. We got them.
They're little?
They're just little cards. You put them in your wallet. And we're gonna get a couple groceries. Ta-da! I couldn't see them for a second, and actually,
I couldn't see them.
It's very simple. Okay, so 3 steps: butter chicken, tikka masala, and korma. You know what? I'm gonna get all 3.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Listen, get 2 of all 3.
And look, okay, so they come with like, oh, you can actually see what's in there. The sauce. Oh, cool! Look, just the right amount of.
Oh, look at that! There's like a real
star anise. Just the right size of ingredients. You don't need to go buy like a whole package of star anise, you know? So all we need to get is the chicken and the veg. So let's do it.
We know how to do that.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Would you like to get a bag of onions? I love onions.
What else do we need?
A bag
the
of
chicken.
potatoes.
We've got the kit. We've got the veg. I think that's it. We get some potatoes if we want to do like a veggie one.
Well, we need potatoes anyway.
Okay, other side. Okay. I think that's all we need. It's pretty simple.
Is this too close?
Hello. The one thing I love about people in my family is like, we're professional chillers.
Did you think I was sleeping?
No.
Oh.
You just
try it again, I'll try it again.
Okay. Still awake. Well, that's accurate. And a dog, you can hardly see. She's like, what? Shaking. Are we sleeping? Are we doing this? I always like to chill with my coffee. I take real coffee breaks. So I do a little emailing, a little work on the phone. It's about 10 to 1, so I've got time before I pick up the kids. So I get to do a little bit of work, a little bit of tidy, and then we're gonna cook up some yummy dinner tonight. So it's another cool evening. So no outdoor adventures, I don't think, at the end of the day, which is a bummer because I always love going for a walk and taking the kids out. So we'll see. We'll see how this evening goes. Okay, ignore the messy living room, but hi, cute dog, doing your big down dog stretch. I realized I need a video for tomorrow, and so with a nice natural light, I'm gonna sit right there and record a video. And what's kind of nice, being that I create different types of content, is like sometimes when I'm in a pinch, we just do like a sit down chatty video, and it gets the job done. It lets me like reconnect with you guys, but also lets me get kind of an easier video to edit. So It's just, life is kind of at a really fast pace these last few weeks with all of the travel I've been doing. So you're gonna see, by the time this video is out, This chatty one that I'm doing today will already be out, and it's all about like reconnecting with your kids and your family when you've been traveling a ton, and like my tips and what I find is working. So sometimes I spend my afternoon tidying and other times working. You know, it's all a balance. How was school today?
Good!
Yeah?
I don't know.
It was all right. Will you go again tomorrow?
I'm not.
Come on. Summer will never arrive. It's really like April showers, but now we're getting into May showers. I just want the flowers and the sunshine. Cool?
It's shivering.
I know, it's just...
Oh, he's terrified.
Anyway, okay, it's time to get down to business. It is cooking time. Let's do it. I'm going to cook the rice in a pressure cooker, so I'm going to get that started first. So tonight I'm going to use the butter chicken, and I was reading that this one has a bit of a milder spice flavor, so kids often will enjoy it. And I mean, who doesn't love butter chicken? Step 1, gently fry the whole spices in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for 20 seconds. Oh, and then if you want, you can leave out the chili. There's a chili in there if you don't want it to be too spicy, which I think I'll do this time around. Okay, easy peasy. What's next, Jackie? Fry this up till the water's
What are you making?
I'm making some curry. It's gonna be yummy. Yeah, the meat is nice and sealed now, and so this is the very last step. So we're gonna add the base sauce and simmer for 15 minutes or until the meat is cooked through. We're ready to serve this up. I'm so excited for Esme to try some butter chicken. I mean, we used to eat this all the time when she was just a wee baby. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, Dean, dinner. Okay, we're done dinner, and the verdict on Patak's 3-step curry kit: 1, super easy. 2, very minimal cleanup. As you can see, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the leftovers in a container, and then that's it. Wash the cutting board and knife and stuff. So that was pretty simple. One of my kids was adventurous and wanted to try it. The other one, I mean, he eats beige foods. He'll get there. There's still time. I enjoyed the authentic taste, and it was significantly cheaper than ordering food in, so I'd call that a win. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick tidy and make the coffee and then visit with the kids and do like a little bit of home reading. But Esme just got this new thing. It's a game where you ask the questions and then I think it's like brain games or something. I used to have them as a kid. Anyway, we found them, so we're gonna go play that. Which animal has fins? A starfish, a shark, or a seahorse?
Shark.
Mm-hmm. Ding, ding, ding.
How many seconds are in half a minute? 15, 30, or 60?
30.
Ding, 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 ding. A point for Mom. Wait.
Woohoo! Oh my goodness, it is so chilly. I can't believe this is spring.
I know.
It's just dreary, and I feel like I'm living in Vancouver in November. Because right now in Vancouver it's probably beautiful. Okay, so here's what the dessert, tonight's dessert on a child's plate, is a candy apple that we picked up from the mall yesterday. And it is dipped in caramel and then coated with toffee. But there's an apple in it, so it's good for you.
Holy Woffy! I can't swim for toffee! You never saw this, and I was never here, okay? Oh wait, I was here. Oh no.
So
So this shall keep me warm, along with this roaring fire, which you can probably hear in the background. But yeah, it was a good day. You know, the thing with rain is it's dreary and it's yucky and it sometimes gives me a headache, but it forces everyone to like stay inside and like hang out with me, which is kind of fun, even though I would have hung out with them outside. Yeah, I digress. It's late. Also, just circling back on the day, the dinner was delicious. And there's leftovers, which I will be having for lunch tomorrow. I call dibs. But they were super easy to make. So a big thanks to Patax for sponsoring today's video. They're 3-step curry kits. I quite enjoyed them. Really nice, authentic taste. And I think I was actually thinking ahead here, like the next time that I use them, which I think I'll go for the tikka masala, would love to use cauliflower. I love cauliflower in Indian dishes. And yeah, let me know, what's your favorite? Comment below, what's your favorite Indian dish? Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!